everybody and welcome to my special Christmas edition of cooking. So I'm really glad to see you today and I'm very excited because when it gets to the time of year around the end of December, that's a special time for me because I celebrate Christmas. Some people celebrate Eid, some people celebrate Diwali, some people celebrate Easter, some people don't. Some people celebrate all sorts of different festivals. And living in Dubai, we get to hear about all of them. So Christmas is my sparkly time of year and I might eat some special food. So today we're going to make a very special bread. Now, if you want to be super great, you could make your own bread. I've given you a recipe for bread before. So you could make your own crusty rolls. But if you want to be a little bit quick, you can buy some too. You need some round rolls, crusty ones like this. And you're going to need a very sharp knife. It's very sharp, be careful. But mums and dads, you know what? The best thing to do to help your child learn how to use a knife is to practice. So let them hold with you. And boys and girls, are you going to do it really carefully? Have a go at cutting just the top off your rolls. So you'll cut the top and then we're ready to start. Okay? I'm going to have some very special cheese too. And we're going to have a sauce called cranberry sauce we have at Christmas. Are you ready? Okay. First, cut the top of your crusty rolls. Next, pull out some of the soft bit inside. Put it to the side. You can still eat that later. Pull out the soft bit. Then spread some cranberry sauce into the hole in your bread. And push in the cheese. Okay? Make sure you put the right amount of cheese, spread it out amongst all of your rolls. We don't want to leave one with nothing inside, so share it out equally. Finally, put the top on your roll, wrap it up in some sparkly silver foil and bake it in the oven so that the cheese all melts all gooey. And when it comes out, your bread will have a surprise inside. It's really delicious. I hope you enjoy it. And Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. Bye everyone.